Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back again with another video. But before that, please smash the like button, hit the bell notification icon. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to grow my channel, and I'm trying to bring you the best projects out there. And right now, the flavor of the season is still gaming NFT crypto coins, and this project that I have here right now, it's called Gods Unchained. Okay guys, so Gods Unchained has been around for some time. It's a card game where you can play, and I think it's been around a few years. I think 2 3 years. I started playing out when it was just at its infancy, right? When it's just started, I started playing. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, and I just I was too busy learning about crypto and all that. So it was not like this as it is now. If you look at the what they have evolved to, you could play this for free, and you can see here $17 million of worth card exchange, led by Chris Clay, the former game director of Magic the Gathering Arena, which is quite popular and all that. They have a marketplace, and this is how you play. You use the cards, and then you go out there and just with the power of your card, destroy and then win and gain points and all that, So yeah, so this is different from what it was, and I think it's amazing. So what's happening is that there's going to be a token sale, on a public sale on CoinList. Okay, so Gods Unchained is a free to play trading game card game where players compete in epic duels using fantasy cards, right? So the game is built to fundamentally change how games work, using Ethereum technology to bring true digital ownership to players, as well as providing the means to earn items that actually matter. The Gods token is designed to be the core currency of the Gods Unchained, fueling the ecosystem that empowers players to earn and sell NFTs. Okay, so they have this game economy, and then they have a big community. The community is huge, right? Because they have been, around for a long time, right? So another thing is, how painful it is to play any game on Ethereum. So these guys have, migrated to Immutable X. So this is the one thing that we did. We did cover Immutable X, which was also on sale. I mean, they had a public sale on CoinList as well. So by going on to Immutable X, it scales the game, and you can, and the volume is that 2.5 times greater than Ethereum mainnet, right? So yeah, so it's better. So the sale options is that the asset name is Gods token, okay, and for option one, it's 33 cents, right, per token, and the sale period starts on October 13th, 1700 UTC to October 19th, 2359 UTC. God's Unchained team has allocated up to 20 million tokens for option 1. Purchase limits is 100 and maximum is 500, right? Minimum is 100, maximum is 500. You can use USDT, USDC, ETH, and Bitcoin. One of the USPs of coin lists that you're not being forced to use only one kind of crypto. You have the liberty to use different kinds. So the lockup is 50% of the tokens become freely transferable after a 90 days cliff around January 11th. Okay, so you get 50% after 90 days. The remaining 50% unlock linearly over the 12 months. Okay, and again, the same thing. There are exclusions, so please check which country is excluded. If you're from that country, you won't be able to take part. Now, the option 2 is a bit cheaper, 24 cents per token. Same date, October 13th, but it starts at 1100, 2300, sorry, 2300 hours UTC until October 19th, 2021 at 2359 UTC. There's 15 million tokens for option 2, and the purchase limits again is the same. 100 is minimum and 500 is maximum. Again, tokens begin unlocking after 90 days, and they will be unlocked over 12 months. So you don't get the 50%, but it's linear, okay, over 12 months. Okay, so you can see here, of course, you need to register on CoinList, and so you can use. I'll put this link in the description box so it's easier for you. So just very quickly, the tokenomics is fixed supply of 500 million. Okay, and Gods is the native. I'm sorry. Gods is the native utility token and the core currency of the Gods Unchained. Gods is designed to accelerate the growth of Gods Unchained by incentivizing game engagement, fusing new NFTs, and competitive gameplay. Okay, it will also be rewarded to community members, developers, and content creators who contribute to expanding the Gods Unchained ecosystem. Okay, so it's 500 million supply, and you can see down here how it's allocated. Okay, so I won't go through all this. You can read all this on your own. I think the fusing thing is probably something good, where you can, you spend when you spend your gods and game assets, and you receive a new NFT and all that. So that's called fusing, and you can stake it in the pool. I think it's pretty cool, right? This game is good. It's been around for a long time, so I think they have been polishing up the game, and you never know, this can really take. It can hit. Why not, right? It could do very well. So if you want to see how it works, how it looks, this is how the gameplay looks like. There's no sound. Yeah, so this is how it's played, right? I mean, pretty okay, pretty cool, nice, fast and furious. Yeah, you can look at this on your own. Okay, some of these characters here. So right, so what I want to show you is that, look, these guys, okay, are not fly by night, because these guys are backed by Coinbase, right? Coinbase, OKX, Block Dream Ventures, right? So these are, legit, right? Legit. Okay, so you can read all this, and yeah, so it has its a marketplace on Immutable X, so where you could go there, and not only Gods Unchained, different games already are on Immutable X, right? So you could take your time and go through this. So just to show you again, the Gods token. Okay, this is the Gods token, right? So it's pretty cool. So I mean, the USP again of this is that the Gods is the native token and of the Gods Unchained universe. At the same time, you can use it to purchase your packs, the marketplace, earn rewards, and earn more rewards by holding the tokens in Immutable X. And you also have a voting power, right? So this is important, right? And enabling players to participate in governance proposal that influence the game's destiny. This will be big, of course. If this game becomes big, then you know that these governance tokens will be very big at the same time. I still have an account here. I don't know, for the past few years I managed to get in, and password still works somehow, right? So yeah, it's something that I would look into, right? Because this is one of the games that I've seen. I mean, that I've engaged with a long time ago. But yeah, so yeah, I mean, it's cool. Like, if you see the expansion sets and the Divine Order, and and it's awesome, right? And then there's an early bird special and all that. You could buy the packs, and you could see. I think it's so cool. You could just explore this, on your own, and just take a look at it and see it, right? Oh, I have 298 cards or what? Oh God. I don't know how I got that. I don't know whether is it worth anything right now. Can I sell it? I don't know. Yeah, so guys, just take a look at it and let me know what you think, right? Please leave a comment in the comment box below. I'm going to leave that coin listing, the details on the description box. And I just want to say thank you and namaste.